So I started this membership program for $10 a month. On the live sessions tier, you'll be able to get live welding instruction from me while you learn to weld in your own garage. Benefit of that versus just looking up videos is that when you look up videos on YouTube, you might be able to learn how to weld, but you may also develop some bad habits that you're just not aware of yet. So you'll be able to get live instruction from me as well as live feedback in order to make yourself better. Not only that, there are other perks to this program. You'll also be part of my community page on YouTube where you'll get daily posts and updates from me, daily content. You will also get insider looks on the builds that I'm doing, not just highlights of the build, but you're also going to get details on how I'm doing certain things, how I sourced parts, how I fabricated specific little parts that in the regular videos you may not see. And I'll even dive into the career of welding or welding inspection or just the welding industry in general. So if this sounds like something you'd really be interested in, sign up for live sessions tier, $10 a month, you get all of this and more as I come up with more ideas. I'm going to make this worth your while. I can guarantee that.